Hey fellow geekers, this is the Geekery and I thought I'd give you a tour. This is probably a bit weird, but I'm going to be moving the studio soon, so it could be a little bit nostalgic even. Anyway, so here's my control center, I guess you want to call it, where I've got my computers. You can see on the right, I've got a Mac. The Mac runs Ableton. The center computer there is a Windows computer, and on the left is another Windows computer. At the moment, I'm actually running a new computer here I've just built, and I'm transferring everything across from my old computer, which is underneath there. And yeah, so eventually I'll have the two monitors just running off that computer and I'll close the other one down. Anyway, there's my MIDI controller. It's a Roland A500 Pro. Just got this a few months ago. Pretty cool. It's got aftertouch and all that sort of stuff. Does SysX. There's the Ableton Push. I've still got the old one. iPad, I don't usually leave it there, but got the iPad Pro. This is my video rig desk, we'll call it. So this is where a lot of the videos that I shoot are done. You'll recognize the green mat. Down under here is the MX1. Sorry about the cords there, the cables. Just in the middle of getting everything ready for a new shoot. There's the Roland TR8, the Arturia Keystep, the Akai MPC Live, a couple of boutiques, a few effects pedals. You can see more cables, sorry about that. Up the top is the Roland System 1, StrikeFET, and the Korg Minilog. I use monitors. I've got a Yamaha HS8 8-inch monitor. They're active. They've got the amp in them. This is kind of my holding bay desk. I'll just move this light out the way. Oops, turned it off for a sec. I use a Rode mic, and Rode mics are pretty good. Behind it is a Roland Gaia. Over there is a couple of synths. There's the Korg, Micro Korg, TB03. Down here is an AO1, a OP1, VP03, Korg Radius, and there's the Analog 4, the Electron Analog 4. Just storing it there for a sec. Up here is a couple of more things. Circuit, Moog, Slim Fatty, a couple of Aero products there, and the Moga Fogas. That's my cleaning brush, the shaving brush. Currently the DeepMind 12 is sitting over there in the corner just while I work stuff out. Okay, let's head on over here. We've got the Roland System 8, the Sub 37, drum brute down there, micro brute up there. Yeah, probably Sub 37 is next to my hands. Underneath I've got a cabinet, a rack cabinet with some gear in it. Down the bottom is the Roland D550 or the D50. The MKS70 above that, which is the Super JX. Then there's the Presonus Studio 192, which is my audio interface. You'll see that Behringer red and black rack a couple above. That's my ADAT module. I've got another one, so that Studio 192 from Presonus is maxed out with the two light pipes plugged in. Up the top is my patch bay. There's a microphone preamp, Motu 8-port MIDI in and out, and the Lexicon MX200 for effects. Okay, I always store my cables in boxes. There's a Commodore 64 that I've taken apart, just fixing the keyboard on it. It's got a few keys that aren't working. Little off project, mine retro computing. But yeah, audio cables go in tubs. There's my crap shelf with crap on it. Sorry about the mess. MIDI controller, guitars in the corner, and a whole bunch of gear in there. And yeah, probably eventually put all this stuff back in their boxes and so forth. So as we go, the Fender Strat and the Ovation vinyl back acoustic there. There's my Volkers over in the corner. A bit dusty here, sorry. There's a few effects pedals, some more crap up at top. There's some retro computers, the Commodore 64 bread bin, the original, and some Amiga 500. They actually all work, those computers, so I've got some plans for those when I move downstairs. In this cupboard, I've got a couple of synths in there. It looks terrible, doesn't it? Anyway, this is 2018. This is New Year's Day here in Australia, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah, talk to you guys soon. Bye.